the 2013 Toyota Tundra with an automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Toyota features power windows, towing package, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include a CD player, Bluetooth wireless, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at South Bay Toyota, a Carfax Advantage dealer.